As real estate professionals, you may spend a lot of time reading, editing, converting, and playing around with PDFs. Here are a few tools we use at Bay East that save us time when working with PDF documents. First, Adobe Acrobat Reader. This is a free program from Adobe that lets you read and print PDF documents. For the users who need ultimate capabilities when working with PDF documents, Adobe offers Adobe Acrobat Pro or Pro DC for a monthly or yearly subscription. These programs allow you to do things like create PDFs directly from applications like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, edit PDFs, convert PDFs into documents that you can edit, protect PDFs with passwords, add e-sign signature fields, and much more. A similar program to Adobe Acrobat Pro is QPDF that offers almost all the same features, but it's completely free. Check it out at qpdf.com. Last on our list is SmallPDF, which is a staff favorite. This web-based application can convert Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and images into PDFs and convert PDFs back to Excel, Word, and PowerPoint documents. You can use smallpdf.com 3 times in a single day for free, or sign up for either a monthly or yearly subscription. If you need any help selecting or using these PDF tools, please call Bay East Support at 925-730-7100. Thank you for watching.